We're mixing the Ikonikolor Acrylic Urethane Primer. Today we're going to be using it as a sealer. So the reduction is going to be 3-to-1 at 35% reduction with the appropriate reducer for the conditions. And I'm going to start mixing it, and then we're going to spray top coat, which is the Ikonikolor Basecoat. Clear coat system, it's both of these are metallic, and we're spraying the deep sea blue metallic, and we're also spraying the twilight blue metallic. What I ended up doing was I marked it off as three parts at 9, then 3-to-1, so you go up to 12, and then 30% reduction, you go up to 15. And here we go. This is 652 reducer, the activator. I'm going to add that. Bring it up to the 15 mark. I'm going to mix that together, and then we'll add the reducer after that. We're going to be adding the reducer now. We're thinning it about 30-35%. And then once we start applying it, we're going to spray it 3 to 6, about 3 mils wet. And here we go.